Hello friends, in this video tutorial I am going to tell you about some of the important questions of IBO 05 International Marketing Logistics, which is one of the subject of MCOM first year of IGNOU. I know lots of students are facing problem as what to study and what not to study for the upcoming exam, June and December exam. But before I proceed, let me clear one thing in this video, that I am only sharing some of the important questions of IBO 05 and not providing you the answers. For getting the answers, you can refer your IGNOU study materials. After analyzing the past previous year question papers, I came to this conclusion of important questions. But it doesn't mean that you will not study other questions. But let's not talk further and come to the point, that is I am showing you some of the important questions of IBO 05, that is International Marketing Logistics. These are some of the important questions of IBO 05 International Marketing Logistics, and I have highlighted these questions with colors so that it will be easy for you to see the questions. First question is concept of marketing logistics and its significance in international trade. Next, warehousing is an important link in the chain of marketing. Comment. Developing countries unable to build their shipping capacity, and what are the problems faced by them? Next question, liabilities of a multimodal transport operator under Multimodal Transportation of Goods Act. Next question, importance of national shipping as a provider of logistics support to the foreign trade of a country. Next question, aspects of strategic logistic planning, and what are the factors that influence logistics planning? Next question, duties and liabilities of a carrier under Carriage of Goods by Sea Act 1925. Next question, difference between domestic and international logistics and the recent developments in international logistics. Next question, mechanisms and advantages of registration of ships, and highlight the new shipping policy on cargo support. Next question, principles and factors that govern the liner freight rates, and what are the surcharges levied by the operators. Next question, conference system in liner shipping operations, and what are its utility and regulations concerning shipping conferences. Next question, consultation arrangement in India for resolving shippers' problems. Next question, conference system in liner shipping operations, what are its utility and regulations concerning shipping conferences. Next question, nature of airway bill and liabilities of the carrier of goods. Next question, role of road transport in movement of export and import cargoes, and what are its limitations of Indian road transport system. Next question, working of Air India for providing marketing support for India's export-import trade, and how the open sky policy of the government affected it. Next question, what are the problems faced by ports and the policy initiated by the Government of India for the development of ports. Next question, what do you mean by maritime fraud, and what are its factors that lead to the commitment of maritime fraud. Next question, that are short notes on bonded warehouse, Commercial Crime Bureau, Australian trade practices legislation, inland container depots and container freight stations. These are the videos made by our channel, all things you want to watch. For more updates, you can join us on Facebook and YouTube, all things you want to watch. Thank you, and subscribe our channel. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit like option and subscribe our channel for more videos. If you want more videos on any other topic on IGNOU or any other topic, then do comment. We will meet in a next video. Bye friends. Thank you so much.